flatten it out
You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you?
like this. Then
I
you'll
should've
just
never
take
even
the
fucked
bottom
with
like
you.
that and then like flow it over.
Yeah, I started
Like,
in the back, had to skip the line. No, I'ma keep that shit as back till my fucking
so,
time go.
see, look, it's like a bubble, but it was like bigger, but it like deflated. So, yeah, that is my slime video for today. It's just so playish.
This is all I
And
ever
this is
wanted,
my other
nigga.
one, my
But
friend's
would I
other one,
let you
and
take it
it's
from me,
just
nigga?
hard and
I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga.
glitter.
A couple fingers
So
on a
yeah,
couple
so I
triggers.
hope you guys enjoyed this
Fuck
video.
with you, why would I
Give it a
fuck
like
with you?
up,
You been
subscribe,
plotting, nigga, wasn't you?
and
I should've
yeah.
been watching from the jump with you. This is what that jungle do. Started what I started.
So this is the sponsor. Currently doing my intro. But yeah, so hey, it is Diana. I am going to show you my slime real quickly. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my first slime that I made. This is my favorite one too.
Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do.
Really stretchy.
Wasn't you? I should've never even
Pretty
fucked with
stretchy,
you.
sorry.
I was walking in the rain with my Tim's on, stepping over puddles full of pain. It's a big storm. 13 on my ball mains. It's a big storm. In the club, let them make it rain like water, nigga. We don't fall with you. No, I'm all about my box, nigga. I don't trust niggas ever since I was a young nigga. Coming up, nigga. Ain't nobody show me love, nigga. So it's fault, niggas. It's just sauce, nigga. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. That jungle turn me
yeah,
to
it's
a
that
monster.
slime. I'm gonna show you my pink slime.
Harder. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster. The jungle made me go
So I'll show you the
harder.
other side. So this is the other slime, but I was kind of playing with it. Well, I was supposed to do my my intro, but I couldn't because when I was right, YouTube video next to myself. But that is all my slimes. If you guys want to comment down below how I made these two slimes, where you got the product, yeah, where I got the product and stuff, you can just do that down below. And subscribe while you're done there. And see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah.